Good afternoon, David. How are you today?
Great to see you. Long time.
It's been a very long time, hasn't it?
Yeah.
We won't go how long it was. I think nearly 2 years since we've actually seen each other personally.
More than that.
Yeah.
So.
Well, it's really great to see how well you're doing in the industry, and behind us is a testament to actually what you've achieved there. So we're in Essex currently, looking at this amazing array of solar.
Yeah.
How much solar is sitting here now?
5.1 megawatts.
Wow.
So about just over 10,000 panels.
Brilliant.
And we did this last summer for Ford in 9 weeks, which is I think a record of some description, but it's doing really well.
And it had some significant challenges, didn't it? 9 weeks of installation. Wasn't just turn up on the day and start the work, was it?
No, 9 weeks is tough actually. If like a 5 meg array, usually people would be talking like 5 months or something for that. This had to be in a fraction of the time, so it was all hands on deck effort to do this one.
Are you in a position to tell us about the story behind this? What was the drivers regarding putting this array in?
Yeah, so I mean Ford has got a pretty ambitious goal of having 100% renewable generation on site by 2035.
Right.
So we've done 2 other projects for Ford up to now. This one was a little time in conceiving it, but as you can see, we sort of took advantage of the fact that the side of the track was actually facing south.
Right.
And so they were really keen to get the project done here, and it's pretty visible as well.
Yeah, significant.
It took a little time to come about, but it's probably one of the one we're most proud of, and what they're most proud of to date as well. So.
And what percentage of this does it provide for the whole building, did you say?
Circa 10% of the total energy demand. So on a summer's day, we can be supplying 100% of their demand at that particular point in time.
Right.
So
So when you look at the profile, we're actually hitting 100%. So if it was even bigger, would then be exporting possibly?
Yeah.
Do we do any export here?
We don't. We're not allowed to. The grid was constrained.
Really?
Yeah, absolutely. It was. I think the original offer was 2031 and £4 million if we wanted, a little bit of export. We actually ended up getting. You could connect immediately if you took no export, and it's £4,000.
Right.
So we took the £4,000 option. So.
And what's the ongoing challenges? Because we've just been walking around today. There's some areas for maintenance, long-term maintenance that needs to be carried out.
Absolutely, yes. It's primarily maintenance. So it's actually getting access to the track. It's a live track.
Yeah.
We've got to be keeping the grass under control and obviously the panels maintained. So we live monitor the array. It's being monitored all the time, but if we get faults, we've got to work within the constraints of the track to get people here when we can do it physically.
So when you say you're monitoring, are you monitoring to cell levels? You can see how much. That's interesting.
Absolutely, yeah. So we're tracking the efficiency of all the inverters and the arrays, and obviously taking action when we need to. Yeah, these are best in class. These are Jinkos, which are actually bifacials as well. So they've been designed in such a way as where we can get reflection, that the reflection comes in and starts to help with the generation. They're actually so sensitive. Actually, we're actually generating at night a little bit as well.
Really? What, from the moonlight?
There's lots of floodlights around here.
Ah.
We're actually finding we get a little bit of generation at night from the floodlights. So
added bonus.
A little bonus, yeah.
Oh, that's interesting to see. Yeah.
Well,
when as a consultant, when I look at designing things like this, I never think about the night sort of opportunities as such. Yeah. What about the moonlight? Does that provide anything?
No, nothing
significant enough.
Nothing significant. No. We're finding the LEDs do, but nothing massive. We were just a little surprised the first time it happened.
So today, what's the future? Is there any future plans?
I mean we're working with other big automotives as well. So we're doing projects like this with them, but we're also doing projects on building space heating efficiency and all sorts of other measures.
Yeah.
So we've got one we're particularly proud of, which is a sort of net zero strategy for a big car plant, which is approaching a £50 million project, which will get that plant to net zero by 2031.
Brilliant.
So it's a multi-stage, multi-strategy.
Brilliant. Well, David,
Yeah,
it's really great to see you. Thank you very much.
No worries.
It's a pleasure.
Welcome.
And congratulations on this amazing array.
Thank
really
you,
good
Paul.
job.
Thank you, Paul.